When opening the Smart Life application, please allow the app to access to your Bluetooth, local network, home data and location. After that, return to the app, and press on all devices, then add device. Then scroll down and find Large Home Appliances on the left of your phone. Next, scroll down and look for Water Heater, Wi-Fi, and click on it. Then, connect to your home Wi-Fi, using your Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi on this tutorial is only an example. Click on these to confirm the indicator is blinking. Remember to turn on your Bluetooth for the heat pump to connect. Then wait for your heat pump to be added to your phone for easy control. After being added, you can control heat pump temperature by dragging the white button clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can also change your heat pump's modes by clicking the letter M on the bottom left of your phone. If you want to turn off your heat pump, simply click on the power button at the bottom center of your phone, and the screen will go dark, indicates that the heat pump has been turned off.